Secure order. Menu. 0. Cart. The hidden danger in your back pocket. Are cell phones really dangerous? Or is that some kind of conspiracy theory cooked up by tinfoil-hat-wearing weirdos who want to keep us in the dark ages? To be honest, I never really thought about it, not until some people I respect started to express concern over the amount of electromagnetic radiation we're exposed to every day. And then, against my will, I started to think about it. There have been plenty of times when I've been talking on my cell phone and suddenly realized that my ear is hot, my phone is hot, and the whole side of my head feels kind of off. You, too? What is that? Is that what they're talking about when it comes to radiation? And could that be why I've been having a lot more headaches lately? I started to do some research, and I discovered that there's a lot of scientific evidence out there that says cell phones, Wi-Fi, and 5G are harmful to our health. Not only that, but in places like France, they actually limit the amount of wireless children are exposed to because of the known damage it does. In fact, it's not legal to have Wi-Fi in nursery schools. And in many European countries, phones must be sold with wired earbuds because technically, you're not actually supposed to use your phone within an inch of your body. Why are the harmful effects of EMF radiation known in other countries, but not in America? They're hiding the truth from us. I wondered why nobody talks about the dangers of EMF radiation, so I did a little research. Turns out, the powerful telecommunications industry spends $100 million yearly lobbying to get politicians to hide it from us. That's why our government is silent about the dangers of cell phone radiation, even though other countries have strict regulations based on scientific research. Turns out, paying off the government to look the other way works. In the US, our government elected to stop funding research on the health risks of cell phones back in the 1990s. Even though since then, research has shown significant adverse health effects. Effects like a 400% increase in your chance of cancer, especially the type that occurs in the area of the brain where you rest your phone, the temporal and frontal regions. EMFs also cause hormonal disruption that result in weight gain, sleep disorders, mood disorders, infertility, and damage to your body on a cellular level. That's why Joel Moskowitz, director of the Center for Family and Community Health at UC Berkeley and a researcher at the Berkeley School of Public Health, has been looking into the problem, and he says, "Our main takeaway from the current review is that approximately 1,000 hours of lifetime cell phone use, or about 17 minutes per day over a 10-year period, is associated with a statistically significant 60% increase in brain cancer." Raise your hand if you spend more than 17 minutes a day on your phone. And even if you're not using your phone, it's a known fact that your cell phone puts out a steady stream of EMF radiation, whether you're actively using it or not. Raise your hand if your phone is in your back pocket right now. The good news is, you can protect yourself from the harmful EMFs that come from your phone. In fact, you can neutralize up to 99% of the radiation with one simple, very inexpensive solution. This sticker looks simple, but it's a powerful tool that reduces EMFs emitted by your phone. It's made of many layers, including a layer of 24K gold, 32 mineral layers, germanium, far infrared, and an absorbing layer that lies just above the adhesive patch. Together, these layers create a negative ion field that neutralizes and deflects the positive ions in EMF fields. And it doesn't interfere with your reception at all, so you can safely talk, text, stream, or carry your phone in your pocket, without getting exposed to EMFs that harm your health. Simply peel the sticker from its backing and paste it to the back of your phone, near the antenna, to the right, under the rear camera. The patch reduces radiation up to 90%, but will not interfere with your reception or interrupt your use. Just paste it and forget about it. It's that simple. Here's what our customers are saying about the EMF defense stickers. If you're concerned about the amount of time you spend on your phone, this is a must-have. And you can use it on your tablet or laptop, too. We all know we use our phones too much. Even when I'm not using it, it's right by my side. While they are convenient, they do come with unknown risks. With this negative ion sticker and EMF Shield 3-pack, you can provide protection from these devices and also give the gift of protection to friends and family. Regular price, $90. Sales price, $29.97. EMF DEFENSE negative ion sticker EMF shield for phone and other electronics, 3 for the price of 1. Buy now. Quick links. About us.